Hello everyone! Today, we are going to discuss how to upgrade your car to wireless CarPlay. Take your driving experience to the next level. Check if your car supports CarPlay. First of all, let's see if there is a CarPlay function in your car. Not all cars come with this feature. For example, BMW's EVO system has built-in CarPlay, but it may not be activated due to additional charges. You can contact your car dealer. Let's see if they can help you activate this feature. Or there are third-party decoders on the internet. But be careful, these can cost you a lot of money. Wireless connection via adapter. If your car already has CarPlay functionality, you want wireless connectivity, then you only need a CarPlay adapter. But before purchasing, make sure that this adapter is compatible with your model. I recommend using a reputable brand, like Scumaxcan or CarLinkit. They provide a stable and reliable wireless experience for vehicles that did not originally have CarPlay. If your car doesn't have CarPlay yet, may require a relatively large renovation. For example, replace the console with a new one or install a screen that supports CarPlay. You need to decide according to your model and budget. But don't worry, sites like Autoupgrade Club offer you a lot of modification options. We will assist you in finding the best option for your vehicle. Overall, upgrading to wireless CarPlay can revolutionize your driving experience. Whether you want to upgrade an existing system or need a complete overhaul, there are ways to achieve this. Following this guide, you can easily enjoy the convenience and fun that wireless CarPlay brings. Let's start this upgrade and make your driving journey even more exciting.